The Large Hadron Collider, or HAC, at CERN, stands as a monumental achievement of human ingenuity. Its colossal ring, buried deep beneath the Franco-Swiss border, represents the pinnacle of particle physics research. Scientists there seek to unravel the universe's most fundamental secrets. They aim to understand the origins of mass, the nature of dark matter, and the very first moments after the Big Bang. Yet, for some, CERN is not merely a scientific endeavor. It is a clandestine operation, shrouded in mystery and sinister intent. A pervasive conspiracy theory suggests that CERN's experiments are not about understanding physics. Instead, they are about opening portals to other dimensions. This idea has captivated the imaginations of many. It fuels anxieties about unforeseen consequences. Theory often begins with the sheer scale of the LHC. Its immense power, capable of smashing particles at nearly the speed of light, seems almost supernatural. Critics argue that such power could inadvertently tear holes in the fabric of space-time. They envision gateways to realms unknown. These realms might harbor entities beyond human comprehension. The fear is that these entities could then cross over into our reality. The God particle, or Higgs boson, discovered at CERN, also plays a central role in these narratives. While scientists celebrate it as a key to understanding mass, conspiracists interpret it differently. They see it as a tool, a key to unlocking forbidden knowledge. Some believe the Higgs boson is directly linked to the ability to manipulate dimensions. They suggest its discovery was not accidental, but a deliberate step towards a grand, hidden agenda. The very name, God particle, is often cited as evidence. It implies a power beyond human reach, now being tampered with. The symbolism surrounding CERN further fuels these theories. The statue of Shiva, the Hindu god of destruction and creation, prominently displayed outside CERN's headquarters, is frequently highlighted. For many, this statue is not a symbol of cosmic dance. It is a dark omen. It signifies CERN's true destructive purpose. They believe it hints at the unleashing of chaotic forces. The number 666, often associated with the devil, is also woven into the fabric of these conspiracies. Allegations of its presence in CERN's data or infrastructure are common. These claims, though unsubstantiated, resonate deeply with those predisposed to such beliefs. The idea of portals is central to the fear. It conjures images of interdimensional travel. It suggests a blurring of boundaries between realities. Some theorists claim that strange phenomena, like unusual cloud formations or unexplained lights in the sky, are direct results of CERN's activities. They see these as ripples from other dimensions. These ripples are evidence of the portals being opened. Others point to alleged glitches in reality. They cite Mandela effects, where collective memories differ from documented facts, as proof. They believe these discrepancies are caused by CERN's experiments, altering the timeline or shifting us into parallel universes. The scientific community dismisses these claims as pseudoscience. They explain the LHC's operations in terms of known physics. They emphasize the minuscule scale of the particles involved. They stress that the energy levels, while high for particle physics, are still far below those found in cosmic rays. Yet these explanations often fail to quell the fears. The complexity of the science itself can be intimidating. This complexity leaves room for alternative interpretations. The conspiracy theories often involve secret societies. Groups like the Illuminati or other shadowy organizations are frequently implicated. These groups are believed to be pulling the strings behind CERN. Their ultimate goal, according to the theories, is to gain control over reality itself. They might seek to harness energy from other dimensions. They might aim to summon powerful entities. They might even intend to reshape our world according to their own dark designs. The secrecy surrounding some aspects of scientific research, though often for security or proprietary reasons, is interpreted as further proof of these hidden agendas. Vast sums of money invested in CERN are also scrutinized. Critics question the true motives behind such massive expenditures. They suggest that the stated scientific goals are merely a smokescreen. The real purpose is far more sinister. The very existence of a global scientific collaboration like CERN, intended for peaceful research, is twisted into something menacing. It becomes a symbol of global control and manipulation. The internet has played a crucial role in the dissemination of these theories. Videos, forums, and social media posts amplify the claims. They create echo chambers where beliefs are reinforced. Misinformation spreads rapidly, often without critical examination. Images and videos, sometimes taken out of context or digitally altered, are presented as irrefutable evidence. The visual spectacle of the HAC, with its intricate machinery and vast underground tunnels, lends itself well to dramatic narratives. It looks like something out of a science fiction movie. This visual appeal makes the conspiracy theories more compelling. The fear of the unknown is a powerful human emotion. CERN, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, taps into this primal fear. The idea of tampering with fundamental forces, of peering into the void, is inherently unsettling. This discomfort is fertile ground for conspiracy theories to take root. Some theories even link CERN to biblical prophecies. They suggest that the opening of portals is a prelude to apocalyptic events. They believe it could unleash demonic forces or herald the end times. The Book of Revelation is often cited. Passages are reinterpreted to fit the narrative of CERN's destructive potential. This religious dimension adds another layer of gravity to the conspiracy. It appeals to those with strong spiritual beliefs. The scientific community, in its attempts to debunk these theories, often faces an uphill battle. Logical explanations and empirical evidence struggle against deeply held convictions. The emotional appeal of the conspiracy often outweighs rational arguments. The narrative of a powerful, secretive organization meddling with forces beyond its control is a compelling one. It taps into a distrust of authority and a desire for hidden truths. The very concept of dimensions is often misunderstood in these theories. In physics, dimensions refer to independent parameters needed to describe a system. They are not necessarily parallel universes or alternate realities in the popular sense. Yet, the popular imagination often conflates these concepts. This misunderstanding allows for the creation of fantastical scenarios. The idea of extra dimensions in string theory, for example, is often misinterpreted. It is taken as literal proof of accessible parallel worlds. The scientific pursuit of understanding the universe's fundamental building blocks is thus transformed. It becomes a dangerous quest to unleash cosmic horrors. The public's fascination with science fiction also contributes to the appeal of these theories. Concepts like wormholes, parallel universes, and interdimensional travel are common tropes. When these concepts are seemingly echoed by real-world scientific endeavors, it blurs the line between fiction and reality. The conspiracy theories surrounding CERN are a testament to the human desire to find meaning in complex phenomena. They offer a simplified, often dramatic, explanation for things that are difficult to grasp. They provide a sense of agency, even if it's the agency of fear. They allow individuals to feel like they are privy to secret knowledge. This knowledge sets them apart from the uninformed masses. The theories also serve as a cautionary tale, reflect anxieties about unchecked scientific progress. They voice concerns about the potential misuse of powerful technologies. While scientists at CERN continue their groundbreaking work, the shadow of these conspiracies persists. It highlights the challenge of communicating complex scientific concepts to a skeptical public. It underscores the power of narrative, even when that narrative is based on speculation and fear. The search for the universe's secrets continues. So too does the human tendency to imagine the most extraordinary and sometimes terrifying possibilities. The LHC continues to operate. Its collisions generate data. This data is analyzed by thousands of scientists. They seek answers to profound questions. The conspiracy theories, however, offer different answers. They suggest a hidden agenda. They speak of forbidden knowledge. They warn of impending doom. The contrast between scientific pursuit and conspiratorial belief is stark. One seeks to illuminate, the other to obscure. The very act of probing the universe's deepest mysteries can be unsettling. This unease is fertile ground for speculation. The unknown can be terrifying. CERN, in its quest for knowledge, confronts the unknown. This makes it a target for those who fear what lies beyond our current understanding. The whispers of portals and other dimensions continue to circulate. They are a persistent undercurrent in the public discourse surrounding this remarkable scientific instrument. The future of physics unfolds. The future of conspiracy theories also evolves. The two are intertwined in the public imagination. The allure of the forbidden, the thrill of uncovering a hidden truth, drives many to embrace these narratives. The idea that powerful elites are manipulating reality resonates with a deep-seated distrust of institutions. This distrust is amplified in an age of rapid information dissemination. Every unexplained event, every scientific anomaly, becomes fodder for the conspiracy mill. The sheer complexity of modern physics often leaves the public feeling alienated. This alienation can lead to a search for simpler, more dramatic explanations. The human mind seeks patterns, even where none exist. It connects disparate events into a coherent, albeit fictional, narrative. The fear of losing control, of being a pawn in a larger game, is a powerful motivator. CERN, with its immense power and global reach, becomes a convenient symbol for these anxieties. The very act of pushing the boundaries of human knowledge can be perceived as hubris. This hubris, in the conspiratorial view, invites cosmic retribution. The warnings are dire. The stakes are existential. The narrative paints a picture of humanity on the brink, teetering on the edge of an abyss. The portals, in this context, are not just theoretical constructs. They are literal gateways to destruction. The scientific pursuit of understanding is reframed as a dangerous game. A game with consequences far beyond human comprehension. The echoes of ancient myths, of Pandora's box and forbidden knowledge, are strong. These myths provide a familiar framework for understanding the perceived dangers of CERN. Public's imagination, fueled by science fiction and ancient fears, transforms a laboratory into a potential doomsday device. The scientists in this narrative are either unwitting pawns or malevolent masterminds. There's little room for nuance. The world is divided into those who know the truth and those who remain blind. This binary thinking reinforces the conspiratorial mindset. The quest for the smallest particles reveals the largest anxieties. The universe, in its vastness and mystery, brings a canvas for human fears and fantasies. The LHC continues its work, oblivious to the narratives spun around it. Its purpose remains purely scientific. Yet, the stories persist, evolving with each new discovery. They are a testament to the enduring power of human imagination, for better or worse. The search for answers in the cosmos often leads to questions within ourselves. Fear of the unknown is a constant companion. CERN, in its bold exploration, confronts this unknown head-on. This confrontation sparks both wonder and dread. The line between scientific fact and speculative fiction blurs for many. The narratives of portals and other dimensions fill this blurred space. They offer a dramatic, if unfounded, explanation for the universe's mysteries. The human need for narrative is powerful. It can shape perception, even in the face of overwhelming evidence. The conspiracy theories surrounding CERN are a vivid example of this phenomenon. They are a modern myth, born from scientific ambition and human apprehension.